In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Airtable base and remove duplicates, so you can transform a messy, disorganized table into a streamlined, reliable database you can actually trust. Airtable is incredibly powerful for managing everything from customer lists to content calendars. But over time, data tends to accumulate errors, duplicates, and formatting inconsistencies that make it harder to use. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Before you dive into any cleanup work, the very first thing you want to do is back up your base. This is a step that a lot of beginners skip, but it can save you hours of frustration if something goes wrong. Click the drop-down arrow next to the base name on your home screen, and then select Duplicate Base. Airtable will ask you whether you want to include all records or just the base structure, which means the metadata, views, forms, and field settings without the actual data inside them. For a full safety net, I recommend choosing to include all records so you have an exact copy of everything exactly as it is right now. That way, if you accidentally delete something important or realize you need an old record, you can simply pop back into the duplicate and grab it. Think of this as insurance. It only takes a few seconds, but it gives you total peace of mind as you start making changes. Now that you have a safety copy in place, let's tackle duplicate records. Manually scanning rows for repeated entries is not just tedious, it's error-prone, especially once your base grows past a few hundred records. Instead, use Airtable's native dedupe extension, which is designed specifically for this job. Click on Extensions in the top right corner of your workspace, then add and open the dedupe extension. You'll be prompted to select the table you want to clean up and the field you want the tool to evaluate. For example, an email address field or a phone number field. These are the fields where duplicates are most common and most problematic. The extension will scan your entire table for redundancies and present you with a clean list of potential matches. From there, you can choose to merge overlapping data into a single record or delete the extras safely. A best practice here is to always review the matches before merging, because sometimes two records have the same email but contain different pieces of information that you want to keep. Merging them will combine that data into one row, which is usually what you want, but taking a moment to confirm prevents accidental data loss. Once the duplicates are handled, it's time to clean and standardize your field formats. Messy data often comes from inconsistent input, like some people typing New York while others type NY or New York. The easiest way to fix this is to convert free text columns, such as categories or locations, into single select or multiple select fields. When you change a text field to a select field, Airtable lets you define a fixed list of options, so every entry must be spelled exactly the same way. This enforces uniform spelling and makes sorting and filtering much more reliable. Next, ensure that your numbers, currencies, and dates are all formatted uniformly. You can do this by clicking into the Field Customization menu for each column and choosing the correct format type. For example, making sure all currency fields display 2 decimal places and all date fields use the same order, like month, day, year. A common pitfall here is forgetting to check time zones if you're working with dates across different regions, so double-check that setting in the field editor to avoid confusion down the line. With your fields standardized, you can now use grouping and filters to spot any remaining issues quickly. Click the Filter button in your View toolbar and set conditions to display rows where critical fields are empty or contain invalid parameters. For example, you might filter for records where the email field is blank, so you can see exactly which contacts need updating. Then, use the Group By feature on a text field like company name or category. This will alphabetically cluster your data, making typos and varying capitalizations glaringly obvious. If you see Acme Corp grouped separately from Acme Corp or Acme Corp, you know exactly where to clean up. Grouping is a visual shortcut that reveals inconsistencies you might otherwise scroll right past. Finally, once you have identified all the records that need to go, you can remove them in bulk. Select multiple records by clicking the checkboxes on the far left of each row. Then, right-click the highlighted selection and choose Delete All Selected Records. Airtable will ask you to confirm, which gives you one last chance to make sure you haven't accidentally selected something important. If you want to clear an entire table's dataset while preserving its structure, you can do that even faster by right-clicking the Table tab itself and selecting Clear Data. This removes every record in the table but keeps your fields, views, and formatting intact, so you can start fresh without rebuilding everything from scratch. You've now completed a full cleanup of your Airtable base, removing duplicates, standardizing your fields, and clearing out unnecessary data. Your base is leaner, more accurate, and much easier to work with going forward. As a next step, consider setting up field validation rules to prevent inconsistent entries from happening in the first place. And you might also explore automation to regularly check for duplicates. If you ever need to revisit any of these steps, save this video for later or drop a question in the comments. I read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.